Under Medicaid's federal-state split, each state creates its own Medicaid plan, and the federal government is responsible for overseeing that plan's compliance with federal law. If a state plan isn't compliant, then the federal government, through HHS, has the authority to terminate the plan's federal funding completely. However, the federal government has yet to exercise this authority. Rather, federal control tends to come in the form of denying state requests to change plans or denying reimbursement for non-compliant state services. If an individual believes a state isn't meeting a Medicaid requirement, nothing in the Medicaid statute gives individuals a direct private right to sue anyone to enforce Medicaid's requirements. So, over time, individuals have used three indirect methods to sue to enforce their claimed rights under Medicaid, which are bringing 42 U.S.C. Section 1983 claims against state officials, invoking the Supremacy Clause to enjoin state officials from unlawful actions, and using the Administrative Procedure Act to challenge HHS decisions permitting certain state actions. Enacted as part of the Civil Rights Act, Section 1983 gives individuals a right to sue government actors for depriving the individual of a right provided by the United States Constitution or federal law. The Medicaid statute is a federal law. But does the Medicaid statute provide the types of rights that are enforceable under Section 1983? The Supreme Court has established a three-pronged test to answer this question. First, does the statutory provision create an individual right that's intended to benefit someone like the plaintiff? Second, is the right so vague that courts might have difficulty enforcing it? Third, is the right mandatory, meaning something the government is required to provide? For the first prong, the Supreme Court has emphasized that the plaintiff must show that the federal statute was intended to create an identifiable individual entitlement or right, not to create a system that generally benefits an entire group.